PLA, my people, welcome back to my channel. Azteca Lineage Bison Forest and History 101. A brief explanation of the Quetzalpantli, the beautiful banner. As we can see here in the bottom, we have the triple lines. Those three rocks represents the triple lines, Tenochtitlan, Texcoco, and Tlacopan. And as we can see here, we see the Cuautli, which represents the power. That's a brief explanation, so stay tuned for part 2. For this segment, I'm gonna see if you guys want a piece of this this pantli. I have some necklaces for sale and some keychains for sale as well. As you can see, I have them here. It's a nice piece, so check it out. The link is below.